Okay, I want to show you the process of building this mobile app. Now, this is the platform where you build the app, hmm? And it's very, very simple. What you do here, they say enter URL and try it out. So here you submit your website URL. Let's say I'm building for sub 360.com.ng. This is it. This is the website link. I will now click on this arrow to go. So now you see the website link is here, but the app will load to get some information. Good. This is what is extracted from the website. You can see it here, login, blah blah. So now I will remove this one and then edit those information. I can just remove airtime to cache and just put airtime airtime like this. It's okay, just very short. Then here I will put my email address. So now I will start building my app. Okay, so here I will click start building. Good, which means I've commenced the process. Now I will come to this side here. This is the menu here, and this will come up, which is the branding. Now this is where I'll put the app logo. So I'm going to come to image here and then select the image I want to use. So I will come to my pictures here, go to my album. There's a place I did logo for some persons. Yeah, these are my logos for the website I've designed for people so far. So now I will touch this sub 360 logo. Now this is the logo. I will adjust this scale to increase the logo size, then push it to the middle. If I want to rotate the logo, I'll use the second one, but I'm not rotating anything here. I love white background, and the logo will make better sense on white background, because if I go on black, it won't be good. So let me use white, and then I will save. This is done, so I will save here, and good. The whole image appear both for iOS and for Android. That's a good thing with this particular platform. It works for your Android, it works for your iOS. So now this is the logo. This is the dark mode. That is, you can switch up from light mode to dark mode. Okay, so app icon. So this is there is nothing much to do here again, unless you want to add whatever that you want to add. So for me, I'm okay. Whichever adjustment you want to do, they are all here. Background color, mine is already white. So the one you want to choose is what you choose. When you're done, you save here. Okay. So once it's saved, you now come back here and then click on interface. This is the interface here. What do you want to appear on the face? I've done my app already, but I'm just showing you this one because some people may like to go further to do more things and whatever. Do you want the one on iPhone to rotate or to be on landscape? Do you want the one on Android to rotate or be on landscape? But it's already on auto rotate, which is far better. So once you're done with this, you come down here and then you go to website override. And when this opened, this is what you see. You see, by default, you just read this thing. So here you can change it to your website name if you want. Say sub 360. Here you can change it to sub 360. The custom header if you want you add for Android, for iOS. So you can add headers to it if you want, but that's not part of it now. Just that if you want to do, you can try it out, then you save. But I'm just trying to explain the process of building an app. Now, once you're done like this, you will come down to this place that say download and what? Build and download. There is permission. Do you want camera? Do you want your app to use camera? Yes or no. Do you want your app to do this one? Yes or no. To dictate location? yes or no. So you choose which one. Either you enable it or you disable it. I don't want it to choose location, but if I want, I will enable it. But sometimes I don't even do that for people. So if you want, you enable it and you just go through it. Download directory, no need. So you just save. So once you save, you come here, push notification. If you want it, you do that. Native navigation, you want it, you do that. But once you're done, come to build and download. So at this build and download, you now say rebuild all. See, so they are on queue now building, and this is how it will load up. You see, the iOS is building, the Android is building, which means you have opportunity of building for iOS and for Android. So iOS is loading, Android is also loading. Now that it is done, I will now download it. So I'm waiting for the Android, which is what I want. I don't even have iPhone, so good. Now this is the APK. I will download it. So watch, it's downloading. Look at it. Once it's done, I will now open. You see, this is it. You remember when I told you that second line, it should not be much. Data airtime is okay. If you like, just put VTU business. So now you install, which is that one is the name of the app. You install it. Since it's not on Google Store, you will get this error. It's not safe. That's normal Google language. So you install it. After installation, your app is ready. You come, you open it. This is my app. Now remember to use logo that are what? PNG, so that the shape of your logo will not appear. So now the site is open. So I can now log in and use the app. So I think this thing is simple and it's straightforward. Thank you.